Hello, this is my Technics RS-TR311 double cassette deck. It's been in the family since 1990, probably 1991. My parents bought this new, and it's been at home all these years. It was last used about 10 to 15 years ago, so it's been sitting for quite some time without being used. And I wanted to try and fix it up, so I decided to open it up, and I imagined that the belts would need replacement, so I ordered the belts, and they arrived today. And I opened the deck, and it looks very clean. It's no dust, no damage. I only identify that the belts, as you can see, the belts are stretched or broken. So I decided to take out the damaged belts, and I cleaned the area with 91% alcohol, where the belts would be installed, and then I put everything back together. The belts fit nicely. It was a perfect fit. So I put everything back together, and when I hit the play button, the cassette would spin just from one side. I'm gonna try to explain this as best as I can because I am not a technician. I do some repair on my turntable, pretty simple things, but this is the first time working on a cassette deck. So I really don't know. I apologize in advance if I don't know how to say the name of these parts. But what I'm trying to say is that when you click the play button, the cassette will try to play. If you're playing from left to right, let's say you're playing side A, the tape will try to wind to side B. So when you're playing from side A to side B, the left spoke spins as it should, but the right spoke doesn't spin. So naturally, the tape will unwind inside the compartment. So I tried it on the other side, on the recording side, and the same thing happens. You click the play button, and only one spoke will spin. I'm guessing that the motors need some lubrication. They've been sitting for quite a while without being used. Probably they went bad and they need replacement. I don't know. I don't have the tools. I don't have the right lubricant for these components. So if there's anybody out there who's worked with these before and you have access to parts and know how to repair this, I can send you the unit, and you can probably repair it for me and then send it back. Just leave comments below, and any tips and suggestions will be greatly appreciated. Thanks.